Hello friends, welcome back to yet another Clean With Me. For today, we are getting rid of Christmas. Sad to say, but it is the first week of January and I'm ready for clean, decluttered, put away. So that is today's agenda. We've already started by stripping the bed. Please ignore the massive amount of laundry on my bed. And yeah, let's get rid of this. I need to clean. Friends, and just like that, we're bare for Christmas. Time for a reset. I am so ready to do a clean with me, which should be the next video you guys see, because this needs some help.